What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Daily Stack Report. That's right, I'm back, and I apologize, everybody. I have been terribly sick the past couple days, and I just have not had the energy to put out a video, but we are back, and we are better than ever. And hey, even though I wasn't here, it's like I was here, guys, because everything that I've been trying to preach to you about these trend lines and everything that's happening right now, it's all going according to plan. We bounced off this trend line down here around 71.45. We tested it here and we broke out big on the upside. We came down twice, 1, 2, 3 times actually, and we were not able to land here, which means we did not go down to the 60s. And remember, from here, it's more of a free fall, guys. It's more of a free fall all the way down to 58. We have no support anywhere in this range, so it is a good thing that we bounced off right here. We had this major drop, tested this $77 mark. We could not sustain above it. Came all the way down to 71.96, right around the $72 area. But after that, we again rejected and came back up. Now we are testing this $78. Guys, in the short term, this is becoming a crucial line that we need to get past. I can see this going two ways. Here in the next couple days, this would be Monday. This would happen, let's see here, on Friday tomorrow. Or we could have, Friday. That's 2 days from now. Today is Wednesday. So in 2 days from now, we could see the end of this pennant right here play out. If we are able to break above this and stay above, we will see a pennant break out here to either the upside or downside. My secondary will be next Wednesday around 11, or what's that? Yeah, around 11:30. That's at night. But it's around Wednesday or this Friday. If we're able to break above here, we're going to see some action either on the upside or the downside right here, or we're going to either have it on Wednesday. So that's what I'm looking for here in the short term. Looking at these lines right here, guys, you know, we were not able to hold this up here. We had this gap up. Gap ups are never healthy, you know, but we did semi-form a downward pennant, which we broke out of right here. So super bullish on that right there, and I think we are really coiling up. Every time we go down, we get rejected, and so we are building that momentum. We're building that coil to really come up, because again, guys, to have big swings, we need to have some sort of stabilization, and we need to be able to build a base so that way we can jump up. We can't just continuously have big jumps and big falls as well, as not healthy. But I want to go over here to APMEX because there's something huge. Normal operations resume, which means no more shipping delays, everybody. No more shipping delays. So let's go to some silver favorites over here. We have the 1 ounce American Eagle as low as $91. Now that's if you're buying 1,500 of them. If you're just wanting to get 1 to 19 or a tube of them, you're still paying around $93 per ounce. That's around a $15 premium above that. Now our Silver Buffalo, you're paying about a $11 premium if you're buying 500 plus. For 1 to 20 or 1 to 19, we're still around a $12 premium on these Silver Buffaloes. And if we click them, look at that. No shipping delays. No, you pay and you get your silver. So that is super bullish right there, guys. We are having more supply in the market, which is a very healthy thing. Most of these dealers have taken that off, as we can see right here. SD Bullion has a $13 premium on random year Silver Eagles. Now on their silver rounds, as low as 85 for just 1 to 19. So that is about a $8 premium. That is a lot lower than we had over here, which if you're paying for just one of them, that's still 12 and 8. So on 20, that's about $80 or another ounce that you could get. So just by searching two different sites, APMEX versus SD Bullion, if you go with SD Bullion on 20 ounces, you're basically getting that last one for free, compared to going with somewhere like APMEX, because you're paying $4 more per ounce. Now, if we go over to JM Bullion, they still have the demand and the shipping delays, and so that is probably going to get taken off here soon, just because they don't want to be the only online dealer that has that on there right now, because that's just going to drive their sales down. Now, if we go to, let's see here, their Buffalo, we have $88. That is $11 over ask. So ask is going to be your spot price. So $11 over compare. So SD Bullion does currently have the best deal right now on just random ounces. Their Silver Eagles, where they have their Eagles at? Let's go back one more. Their Eagles were a 13 to 16. So 16 if you're just buying 1 to 9. So $16 premium. And let's see where JM Bullion is sitting. Uncirculated Silver Eagles. Random year. So this one, interesting. Oh, proof American Silver Eagle coins. Okay, hold on, guys. That's my fault. Coles. Here we go. So for 1 to 19, they have about a $16 premium. Wow, that's actually insane. So yes, SD Bullion is going to be the best right now to buy your online silver. When we're going over pricing structures, we have silver sitting at $76.72. Ask is $76.97. For gold, bid is $49.66. Ask is $49.68. That is down about 0.2% so far. Platinum sitting around $2,073. Palladium sitting about $1,700 right there in the middle. And then of course rhodium. I don't cover rhodium on this channel. You'd have to go somewhere else for that. But right now, guys, we're really watching the US dollar index. I want to go ahead and check that out and make sure, that every time that goes up in price, we are going to see more downward pressure on precious metals. Now, whenever that drops in price, we're going to see more of an upswing on precious metals. So that's always something to keep in mind when you're watching the US dollar index. And guys, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you hit that like button, because at 100 subscribers, I'm giving away this beautiful 1 ounce Silver Eagle. So make sure you stay tuned, guys. I hope everyone continues to stack safe, stack smart. Sorry for the absence. Thank you for watching, and I will see you tomorrow.